Hey guys, Ernest Odell here with a real quick update for the Cash Now funnel group team members. If you're looking for some quick way to make a little extra cash um, on your list, what we can do here, I've got a little offer I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to share my screen and take you over to the $50 gift card site. When you go to $50 gift card.yourwealthachiever.com, the description will be down in the comments or in the description below this video. Click the bell, subscribe to this channel so you can get the updates, because this is a little money maker here. You can use it on the one-part form for email only, but I prefer to use the two-part form with this background, and I will share it. Anybody that wants to use this shared funnel, I've got the emails already programmed. All I have to do is just recode some of the emails. But the page, I can share it out if you want this. But let me show you how to get through this, okay? First thing you're going to do, I'm going to move this little thumbnail out of the way, is you're going to come over here after you register, okay? You're going to put your name and your email here at $50 gift card.yourwealthachiever.com. The link is down below, okay? Once you get registered, check your email for two emails. One of them is going to be the welcome email with the blueprint in it. And the next one is going to come in right behind it will be the fast start, okay? It's going to show you which offers really convert the best and pay out the fastest. You can make multiple $50 payments, okay? This is why they call this $50 gift cards, all right? The card, this particular site, we call them freebie sites, okay? Incentive sites. They have a lot of free offers. They have low cost offers, and some even, cost more. But you want to find one that has at least a 1.0 credit, or do enough offers where you get the 1.0 credit so that you will then be qualified, and then you can promote it to other people. And I like to put this, build my list. I like to do a little broadcast every now and then for seasonal stuff and people, but I also run a lot of solo ad traffic to this, okay? Because there's always people looking for generic business, money-making opportunities, all right? And once you get your account created, you're going to scroll down here to where it says sign up. It's going to move you down here. You're going to put your email address in here, and you'll be referred by member ID 11. That's me. I was like the second person to register on this account. The first person had like 10 different account numbers. I was number 11. I only needed one. Okay. And then you're going to register. This will then get you where you can go and log in. You can sign in. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is, if you ever forget your password, you can click on this, but I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right. And then you go to the offers page. When you get over here to the offers page, this one I always suggest do the aspiration spend and save debit card account, because it pays a full 1.0 credit value. You fund your card with $10 from whatever bank you want to use, your personal bank, debit card, credit card. They send you this card where you can use it with your $10 on it. So it's like doing a free offer, okay? So you get to spend your $10 when you get the card in the mail, and you can reload it if you want to. They have, loans and spending and save account. no fees, 5 free ATM rebates each month, unlimited cash back. So if you decide to use this for direct deposit from a paycheck or whatever, you can do that too. Read the instructions on these offers. Okay. When you get in here, you click on that and it scrolls down and says, watch this video. It's only 30 seconds long. When you get through watching that video, then you say, go do this offer. I've already done this offer because I got one. I've got a aspiration debit card. Then it'll redirect you. If you've done this offer before, you can't do it again. And only one account per household. All right. Then when you get in here, you create your account. I'm going to move this out of the way again. You click on get started. And this is, a really great little card. They pay you up to 5% APY for, all the stuff that you can buy. 3 to 5% APY savings on $1,000 a month spend. Terms apply. Read their terms. It's a great little card. I use it. It has never cost me anything to use this card. Okay. So go over here and look at the offers. When you get to the offers section, you're going to scroll down and see the first one here, aspiration, spend and save. Now, you don't have to do that one. If you like some of the others, you can find, Acorns Invest Your Spare Change. It's 0.75. It's 3/4 of a credit. So you would only have a difference of 0.25 to get to the full 1.0. Then they got some great little sample packs of candy gummies. They've got some programs in here. Each merchant has different terms. And if you've done, a completion on any of these offers with another freebie channel, you won't be able to do it again. So if this is new to you, this is probably the easiest and the best one because it pays out. Every time somebody you refer gets in here and does this offer, it's $50. And then what you do every day, you come in here, you check, your orders and see if you have anything pending to pay. I don't have anything yet today, not today. All right. If you need support, you go in here and fill out your profile. Make sure that you got all your information up to date. And make sure you don't use an AOL browser, AOL email. It's preferred that you use either a Firefox or Chrome for crediting. Okay. If you run into crediting issues, you can still get into support right here. You can send in a support ticket. You can, put something right there and just tell them that you need help. And Cindy is one of the tech support people. Rocky is the owner. He can do some, and I think Amy and some of the others. I've worked with these people for years. Okay. I have literally worked for with these people for over 7 years, going on 8 years now. Made a lot of money with this program. So jump in here, get your card set up, get the $50 account, get it set up, and I'll give you the share codes and everything to the page and the email, and then you can go in there and start promoting it as a side offer to your list in addition to the cash now. So I hope this has been a good weekend for you. Let's earn some extra money for Christmas. This is a great little program. Get in there and get her done. Yes, sirree. Thank you. This is Ernest Odell signing off.